Oo.
Ano kami, Arvin? My good friend Arvin and me.
Diyan lang kaya. Kita natin na
Balik tayo.
this is
Doon naman.
going to Tandag. There's flooding and we're now in Bayabas.
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 Bayabas, no? This is Bayabas.
What place is this? It's about 20 kilometers to Tandag City. So we have to head back. Okay. All the buses are stuck.